In the realm of a TikTok clipper, navigating the digital landscape is a daily ritual. With the promise of a $10,000 monthly income, each day unfurls with a fresh set of goals and ambitions. As the sun casts its glow, the journey begins in the home office, a haven for creativity and productivity. The morning routine kicks off with a deliberate pause to set the day's intentions. Today's target, 1 million views and a financial benchmark of at least $1,000. With aspirations set, it's time to dive into the heart of the operation. Seated at the desk, the smartphone takes center stage. The first order of business, choosing the content to be clipped. Niam's stream, a recent sensation in the digital sphere, becomes the focal point. A quick visit to Niam's YouTube channel initiates the process. Screen recording becomes the bridge between content and creator, capturing the essence of the stream. With the raw material in hand, the journey shifts to the editing suite, where CapCut becomes the artisan's tool. The clips are carefully curated with a touch of finesse added by integrating GTA gameplay at the bottom. The storytelling canvas is enriched further as auto-captioned subtitles effortlessly weave through the narrative. A moment of anticipation arrives as the edited masterpiece is unveiled on the TikTok page. The virtual stage awaits the performance, and yesterday's creation has already raked in a staggering $1,500, a testament to the resonance of the content and the pulse of the audience. The day's journey is off to a promising start. As the creator revels in the success of personal endeavors, attention turns to the collaborative effort. An employee, an integral part of the content creation machinery, is checked upon. A casual NBA break has momentarily interrupted the workflow, prompting a gentle nudge to refocus on the task at hand. The intricate dance between individual creativity and collaborative synergy defines the ecosystem of this digital enterprise. Amid the hustle and success, the invitation is extended to others aspiring to tread a similar path. The creator opens the door to a free Discord channel, a virtual haven where knowledge is shared and camaraderie thrives. It's an opportunity to learn the art of generating $1,000 a day from TikTok, a gesture of mentorship and community building. In the microcosm of this creator's world, the journey isn't just a financial pursuit, it's a narrative of skill, adaptability, and the symbiotic relationship between content and audience. As the day unfolds in the life of a TikTok clipper, the digital frontier remains a canvas of boundless opportunities, waiting to be explored and conquered. Follow for more.